Unlocking grace, the power of, "You have my pardon." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's rich in kindness and forgiveness. "You have my pardon." It's a phrase that carries a lot of weight and history, and understanding its usage can add depth to your English communication. Let's unlock the grace behind this powerful expression together. "You have my pardon" is a phrase that essentially means, "I forgive you," or "You are forgiven." It's a formal way of expressing forgiveness, often used in serious or official contexts. The word pardon itself originates from the French word pardonner, meaning to forgive, and has been used in English to denote forgiveness for centuries. This phrase can be used in various situations, from minor offenses to more significant misunderstandings. It implies not just the act of forgiving but also carries a sense of releasing the other person from the guilt of their actions. Historically, the term pardon has been used in legal and governmental contexts. Kings, queens, and other leaders would grant pardons to individuals for crimes, thereby absolving them of their legal penalties. In contemporary times, while its use has broadened, "You have my pardon" retains a formal tone, often used to convey forgiveness in a dignified or solemn manner. It's less common in everyday casual conversation, where simpler terms like, "It's okay," or "Don't worry about it," are more prevalent. However, understanding and using the phrase can add a layer of formality and depth to your English, especially in written communication or in scenarios that call for a serious tone. Using "You have my pardon" appropriately requires understanding the context and the relationship between the people involved. Here are a few guidelines. Formality. Reserve this phrase for formal situations or when the act of forgiveness carries significant weight. Seriousness. Use it when the offense or misunderstanding is serious enough that a simple, "It's okay," doesn't suffice. Tone. Ensure your tone matches the gravity and formality of the phrase. It should convey genuine forgiveness and a sense of closure. Examples of usage might include resolving a long-standing disagreement with a colleague or in a written apology response where you want to formalize the acceptance of the apology. Understanding and using the phrase, "You have my pardon," can enrich your English vocabulary and help you navigate situations that require a formal tone of forgiveness. It's a reminder of the power of words to heal and reconcile, bridging gaps between people with grace and dignity. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and depth of this expression for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey to mastering English is filled with learning the nuances that make it such a rich and expressive language.